I think that's pretty good. Hello, 大家好. I'm Sam Duckett and I'm reporting to you from the Tangdui village just off the Shangri-La city. The village is famed for its expertise in black pottery craftsmanship, and there's actually a story to go along with the craft. So, a long time ago, during the Tang Dynasty, the Princess Wen Cheng stopped off here on her way to Tibet, and she decided to teach the local villagers how to make black pottery, and they've been famed for it ever since. So let's go in and take a look and see how black pottery is actually done. So we're inside the courtyard of one of the masters of black pottery. He's got a lovely home, blue skies, open courtyard, does a bit of gardening, and now we're going to try and find him and have a sit down and try and learn a bit more about his craft. Oh, you're a man. You're a man. 还真有人，你是在那边跑的师傅吗？ So you found his mum, not him. He's not coming down, You're a man? It's not going to be there. Okay, so can't find the master. Found his mum, which is lovely. Nice lady. And I found his cat. It's a nice cat. But still can't find him, so we have to keep looking. Okay, so we've just found the and I'm guessing the art research place? Anyway, it's looking quite hopeful. I've got a feeling he's in here, so let's go inside and take a look. 郭老师你好。
你好。
可以坐下吗？
可以。
谢谢。听说您是这的黑陶大师。那么郭老师，您是从几岁开始做黑陶，而且是你们全家都在做吗？还是就您一个人？
我呢是家代人就做这个，我呢7、8岁就跟我爸爸和我爷爷一起学的。那现在呢是也可以说我一家子在做。我老婆，我2个孩子。
老师，我想问一下，像您这么小就开始学这个，像我这么大的孩子，我现在来学的话，还有希望吗？Check it out. I think that's pretty good. Well, it's been an interesting day. I've learned so much about black pottery, and I even nicked his teapot. I think I can keep this. After speaking with Master Guo, the one thing that I do understand is that black pottery takes a lot of diligence and a lot of patience. It's not something you can learn in a day, but it is very rewarding. And if you want to find out more about black pottery, remember to come to Shangri-La and the Tangdui village in particular. Right, time to go with my black pot.